Hi, welcome to Database Management System. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss the concept of join in SQL. So by using join, I can combine two or more relation based on a common attribute. So to explain this concept, I need minimum two table. So here I am going to create a two table. So one is WhatsApp. So in this table, I have specified the attributes first name, last name, mobile number, WhatsApp name, and I'm taking mobile number as my primary key. So let us execute this statement. So the table WhatsApp is created by using insert into statement. Now I am going to insert some value in my table. So here I am taking my first name Marishan and last name George. So mobile number. So if I want to specify mobile number, I can use it single quotes or without single quotes also we can do it. So I have selected and by executing the statement, so one row it's inserted. So in the similar manner, we can execute some of the statements. So all the values are inserted. By using select command, I can view the data in my relation, that means the table. So select store from. So this store indicating I am retrieving all the data from my WhatsApp relation. So just I have selected and executing that statement. So here you can see, so these are the data we have stored in our WhatsApp relation. So we have stored 6 tuples. I need one more table. So I am taking my second table, it's Instagram. So now I am going to create Instagram table. So here I am taking the attributes bio, city, mobile number, Insta ID, and here I am taking my mobile number as a foreign key. So these mobile number act as a primary key in my first table. So by selecting this statement and we can run that statement. So here you can see the Instagram is created. We can insert some value by using insert into command. So one row it's inserted. We can insert some more values. So all the values are inserted. By using select star from Instagram, we can view our data. We can also use the statement select Instagram dot star from Instagram. So this is another method for viewing all the data. So these are the data I have stored in the Instagram table. Now we'll see one by one. So in terms of join, different joins are available. The first we are going to discuss equi join, or we can say it's an inner join. So in terms of equi join, we can retrieve matched value in both the relation. So this is the syntax. So select store from WhatsApp, Instagram, where. So here I have to use where class. WhatsApp.mobile number equal to Instagram.mobile number. So here mobile number, it's my common attribute. Based on that common attribute, we are retrieving the data. By selecting this statement and control enter, we can execute it. So we can see the data in output. So mobile number in both the relation, mobile numbers are same. So the another way is by using inner join command. So by using inner join command also we can execute. The result is same but the query is different. We can use different implementation. So the output is same. Then we can also use join. So the result is same but the implementation is different. So if I am using var class, so here I am using var class. So here I am using inner join. So if I am using inner join, I simply join. I have to use the on command. Now non-equi join. The first table, that means the first row in the first table is matched to all the row in the second table. If there is any matching is available, it will not display. The unmatched data will be displayed. So here I am using not equal. So I have selected and executing this statement. We can see it retrieved many row because these are unmatched. In the first row, so mobile number, we are based on the mobile number, we are retrieving the data. So the mobile number here and here it's a different. So now we'll see outer join. So in terms of outer join, we have left outer and right outer, full outer joins are available. In left outer, select star from WhatsApp, then left outer join Instagram. So if I'm executing this statement, here my left table is WhatsApp and right table is Instagram. So it will retrieve all the data from the left table and match it from the right table. So let us execute this statement. So we can see, so this is my left relation. It retrieve all the data and matched relation from the right. So this is my matched. These are the data from right one and we are getting the matched data. So based on the mobile number, it matching the data. We can use different implementation. Simply we can use it left join. The query is different, but the result is same. So the same one. We can also use it store from WhatsApp, Instagram. That is my table one, table two. Where so this is the here I am using plus symbol in the right side. This query we have to write in Oracle database only. So this is the if I am executing this type of query, we have to be very careful. Most of the databases will not accept this type of query. So I have selected and we can execute it. So the result is same, but the implementation is different. Now we'll move on to right outer. So in terms of right join, it returns all the data from right table and matched one from the left table. So let us execute this statement. So I have selected and executing. So we can see the output. So my right table is Instagram. So it return all the data from the right side and matching record from the left side. So if there is any unmatched data is available, we'll display it as null. The second type of implementation, just we can use right join. So the result is same. We can also use it plus in the left side. So if I am using plus in the left side, it indicating right join. If I am using plus in the right side, it indicating it's a left join. Then full outer join. In terms of full outer join, it returns all the record, all the data from my relation. So here I have used WhatsApp and Instagram. So we can see the output. So here, so this is my left table and these are from right table. Some of the values are null, right? So this is the not matching data. That means these data are unmatching. So here mobile number I have not specified in my Instagram. So these are unmatched data. Thank you.